Good morning, everybody. We're here to follow up on a traffic fatality that occurred on November 28th. Lieutenant Robert Huish was killed while riding a bicycle in Atlantic Beach. On Tuesday, December the 7th, at approximately 3 p.m., the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office Traffic Homicide Unit served an arrest warrant and search warrant at 736 Camilla Terrace Court South in Neptune Beach. At that time, Gregory Jacobs, a white male aged 29, was arrested and charged with leaving the scene resulting in death. The search warrant at the residence, the 1998 black Isuzu Rodeo, was recovered in the garage. The car had significant damage on it. It was, and again, I said it was black. So, any questions?
What led you to that?
We ended up getting tips. We'd like to thank the public and all the other law enforcement agencies out there for giving us the tips. They came in, which led us to a passenger in the vehicle, which led us to the driver of the vehicle.
Any other questions?
Did he make any sort of statements?
No, he invoked.
Okay. The vehicle has been impounded, I assume?
We have the vehicle in our custody. Now, he had given a couple of stories about the vehicle that was interesting that you'll see in the docket, and they have copies. He had told his boss at work, the vehicle, we had put it out that anybody that saw anything was unusual about the where the vehicles were kept at and why it was out of sight. He told his neighbors that he had blown the motor up on it, or he told his boss at work why he didn't have this car was because he had hit a deer. So he gave his neighbors and his work a couple different stories as to why he wasn't driving that Isuzu. So
the other people that were in the car with him, are they going to be charged as well for,
that's still, all of that's still pending, so we'll try to get that out to you at a later date, whether anybody else will be charged or the names and all that kind of stuff, but we're not releasing any of that at this time.
Can you tell us how many other people were in the car for sure and confirm it?
We don't have that confirmed yet.
Any indication that Huish on his bike did anything? I mean, did he blow through a stop sign, or was he just kind of going along? I mean, who's at fault? Do we know yet?
We're still determining that at this time. So we still have other witnesses to contact. So this witness that we've contacted that was a passenger in the car has led us to others. And this is the lead detective here, John Hartley from the Traffic Homicide Unit. He still has people to interview. So as soon as we get all of that completed, we'll try to get you the information. We're sorry if it's slow coming out. I know y'all want it. But again, like the car, we didn't want to put out information that's bad, and in this case, we don't want it to either. So we'll get it to you as soon as we can.
What's your next step?
To interview all the witnesses that we have uncovered at this time. So as soon as we get that done, we'll try to get back to you.
Where did the information about the light-colored vehicle come from initially?
Well, like I said before, it was late at night, early in the morning. The lighting and all that, people tend to get those things wrong, and we didn't want to limit people to a color of vehicle. So certainly the evidence that was recovered at the scene led us to the type of vehicle. I would like to say that from that we discovered 100 vehicles that matched that description that were at the beaches. Traffic homicide detectives, the lead detective John Hartley, went to every residence, and this residence had been contacted twice, but nobody was home. So from the type of vehicle, we had gone to that house twice and just didn't find anybody at home. And the car was in the garage.